In January this year, when we were flying back from Toronto to India, we decided to take a break at Amsterdam. Hi guys, my name is Ishani and I am the co-founder of a boutique travel agency called Travel Scrabble, and this is our official channel. As you may be aware, Amsterdam is a city of canals. Taking a canal cruise is the best way to relax, enjoy, and take beautiful pictures of Amsterdam. Of course, we were there in January, so it was completely foggy. But we were really lucky, as it had all cleared out by the time our nighttime canal cruise began. This night cruise was a lovely experience, especially since the annual Amsterdam Light Festival was on. This city has many different types of museums to choose from. There are art museums like the Van Gogh and the Rembrandt Museum, or history museums like the Amsterdam House. I have added a list of museums in the description that you can check out. And now let's talk about cheese. Yum! With so much fertile farmland that's perfect for dairy cows, the Netherlands is a proud cheese-producing nation. Visit one of the cheese factories to learn how authentic Dutch cheese is made. You will even get to taste a variety of fresh cheese. Another unique experience is a visit to a clog factory. Choose one which gives you a demonstration of how clogs are made. Clogs are an important part of Dutch culture and are still worn in rural parts of the country today. In fact, our guide was wearing one and she looked pretty comfortable in it. And finally, you cannot leave Netherlands without seeing the windmills, right? The windmills are an iconic symbol of the Dutch landscape and transport us back in time. I know you must be wondering how you will complete all this in 72 hours. Well, I'll tell you a little secret. 20 minutes outside Amsterdam is this cute little village called Zaanse. This is a residential area where they have actually relocated some historic windmills and green wooden houses to recreate the look of an 18th or 19th century village. It looks like a postcard from every angle. And in this village, along with the windmills, they also have a small cheese factory and a clogs factory. So you see, you can cover 3 of the points I shared in one outing. That leaves you 2 whole days to not only visit a museum and take a canal ride, but also walk around and explore the city on your own. Smart planning, huh? Here are the 5 things you can do in Amsterdam in 72 hours. Travel Scrabble offers you customized tour solutions with end-to-end assistance. Visit our website for more information. Keep traveling, keep exploring.